Hi, I'm Justin Hansen with the Placer County Environmental Health Department. So we set up the food truck Roundup here at Sierra College today, and we have everybody's paperwork in order, and they can come in, bring their food truck, and we're kind of ready for inspections with them, and they kind of can go with them like what to expect and the things we're looking at. And we check their trucks and make sure it meets all the food code requirements are met, and then they can get their permit and get a permit sticker on their truck so that they can go out and start working and selling food to the public.
My wife Beth and I are the owners of the Kona Ice Roseville area franchise. Where we're at today is just a huge help. Placer County sponsors every year this food truck Roundup. We're located today here at Sierra College, and we have multiple vehicles. So we're here in Roseville, it's local, so it makes it very easy for us to come here, take care of everything associated with the permitting process in one place. So this is an incredibly convenient, supportive thing that they do, the county does for us. And so I'm truly grateful for this.
Our philosophy is to try to protect the public health and make sure the food that they're serving and storing is safe and sanitary as possible. Try to not make it overly difficult for people to get permits, to be able to have their inspections done, and any problems or any corrections they need to make, try to help them to find the path forward to make sure that those are fixed so that they can provide safe food for the public.